teenager was back in court today. Good evening. Great to have you with us tonight. I'm Mike Mangus. The backstory, Quentin Beeler is accused of murdering 14-year-old Marysa Nichols. Her body was found in a field behind Red Bluff High School in February. Beeler's attorney says he's frustrated with how long it's taking for investigators to hand over the evidence in the case. KRCR News Channel 7's Chelsea Kay was in the Tehama County Courthouse this morning and spoke with him.
Quentin Beeler was supposed to have a preliminary hearing here at the Tehama County Courthouse next week. That's when we are expecting a lot more of the details of the investigation to come out. But last minute, the court appearance was switched to this morning, and his attorney asked for everything to be pushed back because he says he's still waiting on a lot of the discovery needed to go forward with his case.
There's a lot of information that I don't have yet that I should have, but again, homicide cases are complex.
Sean Northam, a private attorney from Sacramento, said typically these type of cases do take a lot of time, sometimes even years.
Obviously his life is on the line here, and he's facing significant jail time, essentially a death sentence effectively if he's convicted. And so this is not a situation where there should be a rush to just hurry up and go through the process and be done with it.
But he also says it's difficult to keep the case rolling when there's still a lot of missing information. I'm
sure that law enforcement is doing their best to turn those materials over, and it's part of the process, but it's also frustrating.
At this point, he says it's a waiting game.
Things need to be investigated. There are, I think, some problems with the case that need to be fleshed out, and the defense needs to take a look at the evidence in this case closely.
Beeler is scheduled to be back in court next month to handle all of his smaller cases. He'll be back again in September to handle the murder charge, and that's when his attorney is expecting to have all the information needed to go forward with the case. Reporting from Red Bluff tonight, Chelsea Kay, KRCR News Channel 7.